Exercises involving iteration. An exercise involving iteration is considered as completed when, after applying the iteration, no matter which of the two methods explained previously you are using, a number of times, the variable is isolated in the desired range. In all questions solved so far in this tutorial, we found the result by reasoning. Thus, when we were able to limit the solution within the desired borders, the result was considered as found. Let's see another example in this regard. Example: find one root of the equation. We have the following as shown on screen. To one decimal place. Start checking from x equals 0. Solution: for x equals 0, we have the following as shown on screen. For x equals 1, we have the following as shown on screen. For x equals 2, we have the following as shown on screen. For x equals 3, we have the following as shown on screen. The change in sign of the result means the root we are looking for lies between 2 and 3. Hence, let's continue with the half interval method to get as closer to the result as possible, as we did in other examples. Thus, for x equals 2.5, we have the following as shown on screen. Therefore, the result is between 2 and 2.5, as in this interval there is a change in sign. Hence, for x equals 2.25, we have the following as shown on screen. Hence, the result is between 2.0 and 2.25. Now, it is better to change strategy, i.e. to take the values one by one. Thus, for x equals 2.1, we have the following as shown on screen. This is the closest value to 0 obtained so far. Therefore, the result is x equals 2.1. That is all for lesson 9.4.3. To continue this tutorial, please watch 9.4.4, Recursive Iteration and Iteration Machines. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.